Sairam children, welcome back to EVS class. Last days we were learning about birds, isn't it? Yes. Before starting the class, we will do Omkaram 3 times. Sairam children. Last day we have learned about different types of birds and different types their beaks also, isn't it? It adopted according to their eating habit. Okay, according to the type of food they eat. Now we are going to learn about nests of birds. Okay, for that I have to open the data class edge. Let me open it. School's name, username. Yes, it is here. Let me sign in. Yes, your class is coming. You have to select the class and types of birds. Here we have to watch this one, nests of birds. Okay. Look at the picture. Which bird is this? Yes, it is tailor bird, and its beak is like a needle, isn't it? It is already stitched the leaves together, isn't it? It is the nest of the tailor bird. Let us play, but the voice is not coming, so I will give the voice. Okay. Nests of birds. A nest is the home of a bird. Birds build nests to lay eggs and hatch them. Nest gives protection to eggs from enemies and bad weather. Nests are made up of different materials. Beaver bird uses grass and twigs to make nest. The weaver bird's nest has entrance from below. The tailor bird stitches the leaves together using its beak to stitch. Eagle makes nest with the sticks on very tall tree. Woodpecker pecks on the tree to make hole. Owls do not make a nest. It uses the empty burrow of the tree. Penguins live in very cold places and do not get grass or twigs. So they make nest using stones and pebbles. Summary is here. Nests are the homes of birds. Birds build their nest to lay eggs and hatch them. Birds use materials such as sticks, dry leaves, feathers, and pebbles to build nest. Is it clear to all children? See, here the home of a bird is the nest. Birds may build nest with different types of things like twigs, dry grass, cotton, isn't it? Dry grass, etc. Beaver bird uses grass and twigs to make the nest. Beaver bird's nest has entrance from below. I told you before also, the tailor beaver bird makes many hanging nest for the female bird to lay eggs. But the female bird selects any one of these nest and she lays eggs in that nest only. Okay. The tailor bird stitches the leaves using the needle like beak. Eagle makes nest with stick on very tall huge trees. Woodpecker pecks on the tree to make the hole. Owls do not make a nest, it uses empty burrow of the trees. Penguins live in cold places and they do not get grass or twigs there, so they make the nest using stones and pebbles. Is it clear to all children? Am I audible? Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Now let us see another video. Okay, the sound is not coming, so I am giving the voice. Okay, next video is see here. Gia is sitting. We can see a butterfly here, isn't it? Yes.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
these are the wings, wings of the butterfly. Let us see what is Dia saying. I have to give the sound also. Dia's mother is telling. Dia, so Dia, why don't you closing the window? It is going to dark outside. My mom, I like the breeze through the window. But Dia, but Dia, mosquito will come inside the house. Mosquitoes are harmful insects. They cause diseases such as malaria and dengue. I was reading about honeybees, how used they are. It is strange. Some insects are harmful and some are so useful. So we can see two types of insects. These insects have wings also, isn't it? Here, this is a honeybee. It has a pair of wings. And here, mosquito. Okay. Can you say honey from honeybee? What do we get? Yes,
Honey,
very good
ma'am.
guess. We get honey from honeybees. Very good child. No, so it is a useful insect. It is an insect, okay? It has 6 legs, but it can fly also like birds, okay? Now it is a mosquito. Mosquito is very harmful to us, isn't it? It sucks blood, so it can spread malaria and dengue. Okay, so it is a harmful insect. But these two insects can also fly like birds. Do you understand? Next, useful, harmful. Okay, here are some useful insects and harmful insects. See, ant, silkworm, honeybees. These are useful insects and housefly, weevil, locust, silverfish, cloth moth, cockroach, mosquito, head lice, bedbug. All these are harmful insects. They spread diseases. So these are the types of insects. Some insects are useful and some are harmful. Okay, children. So you have to take care of from these harmful insects. Do you
Yes, ma'am.
understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Well done. Now I am coming back. Let me come back. I am logging out. Now there is a sheet for you that is the important points are written. You have to remember all these things. What is written? It is written here, the shape and size of a bird's beak is adapted for feeding different kinds of food. We yesterday we have learned about different types of beaks. Some are short and stout, some are long, some are needle like, some are straw like, some are ice cream scoop like, isn't it? So these the shape and size of birds beaks is adopted for feeding purpose only, because these birds eat different types of food. So the shape and size of the beaks are also adopted accordingly. Is it clear? Now, second point is birds fly and walk in different ways. Different birds fly in different way. Different birds walk in different ways. Okay. Now, birds, they rotate their necks also. How it moves their neck. Okay. Their neck movements also differ. Have you seen a myna? Yes.
Ma'am.
What is its color? What is its color of the feather? Yes,
Brown.
brown. Yes, myna moves its neck back forth with a jerk. Myna moves its neck back and forth with a jerk. Owl can rotate its neck backwards to a large extent. Can you rotate our neck backwards to a large extent?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not possible. It will pain, isn't it? We cannot rotate like that. So owl can rotate its neck backwards to a large extent. Myna moves its neck back and forth with a jerk. Now, the birds are of different color, shape, and size. Peacock's feather is different. Parrot's feather is different, isn't it? Even crows. So different birds have different color, feather color, shape, and size also. So, what are the uses of feathers? Feathers help them to fly and keep them warm. Yes, feathers help the birds to fly and keep them warm also. Okay. Now, from time to time, birds lose their old feathers and new ones grow in their place. From time to time, birds lose their old feathers. We have the habit of collecting feathers. You know? Yes, we like to collect the feathers of peacock. It is very beautiful. That is why we collect the feathers of peacock. All the birds lose their old feathers time to time, and new one grow in their place. Now, miners and parrots can imitate our voice. I told before also, parrots can imitate our voice, like miners also can imitate our voice. So, miners and parrots can imitate our voice. Now, we have learned in the lesson, birds, most of the birds can fly, isn't it? But in the video we have seen some insects also can fly, isn't it? We have seen two insects. What are they in the video? Yes, one is honeybee and another one is mosquito. And also so many harmful and useful insects we have seen in that video, isn't it? So, bat is not a bird. Flying squirrel, it is not a bird. These two animals can fly and fly. Or and some insects like honeybee, mosquito, butterfly, housefly, all these insects can also fly other than birds. So bat flying squirrel, some insects like honeybee, mosquito, butterfly, etc. can also fly other than birds. Do you understand, children? So we will read from the beginning. What is written? The shape and size of a bird's beak is adopted for feeding. Adopted means modified for feeding different kinds of food. Birds fly and walk in different ways. Their neck movement also different. Mina moves its neck back and forth with a jerk. The owl can rotate its neck backwards to a large extent. The feathers of birds are of different color, shape, and size. Feathers help them fly and keep them warm. From time to time, birds lose their old feathers and new ones grow in their place. Miners and parrots can imitate our voice. Bat, flying squirrel, some insects like honeybee, mosquito, butterfly, etc. can also fly other than birds. I think all of you understood it. Children, you can read the test book. It is not available. You can now see from the NCRT website also. Okay, so you will see the test book and you can read also. You can draw the picture, color it. You can make flashcards also. I told yesterday also, isn't it? It is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
nice chapter. Next day, yeah, next day we will discuss about some fill in the blanks, question answers, and we will do one activity also. Okay, fine. Okay,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Bye
Yes.
bye. Today's class is over. We will wind up the class by chanting Shanti Part. Okay. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bye, run children. Take care. Bye bye.